Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Femke and in today's video I wanted to share with you a really quick and super easy but really fun design you can do in just a couple of minutes. And you don't need a ton of different products either. So maybe you already have all of these items laying around your house or like in your collection of nail polishes. But otherwise, most of the items that I used in this video come from bornprettystore.com, and I do have a 20% discount code, which is FEM20. So if you do want to get some products yourself, definitely check out with my discount code to save some extra money. So yeah, I really wanted to do a quick and easy mix and match design. So I got some glittery polishes by Nicole Diary, I got some foil, and I've got a stamping plate as well. And I had already this lovely like minty greenish kind of color on my nails. It really doesn't matter what kind of color or like base nail polish color you want to use. I was just really into a minty tone at the time I made this design, and I am going in with two different colors of that glitter polish. So these polishes I actually did a full swatch and review video of. I think it was back in December or something like that. So if you want to check them out, I will definitely leave the video at the end of this video as well. So yeah, you can definitely check it out if you're done watching this tutorial. As I mentioned, it's really quick and easy. You just want to do a glitter gradient, focusing more on the edge of the nail or the free edge or the tip, however you want to call it. Usually what I do is just get rid of most of the glitters off of my brush and then go in halfway up the nail, making sure that not a lot of glitter is on there yet. But then I go back into my bottle, pick up a little bit more glitter and mostly place it definitely on the free edge of the nail. So you want to like really gradiently make sure that there is more and more glitter on the nail. So first up, I just got the silver holographic glitter and now I'm going in with the blue holographic glitter. The glitters are a little bit similar. There is a lot of silver holographic in both, but the second one has more of like a bluish tone to it, a little bit more blue glitter as well. So they definitely are different, but like half of the glitters are similar, so it blends in really well. And I just thought that adding a little bit of blue was a really nice touch to this design as well. Then I'm going in with kind of like a marble design from this Nicole Diary plate. If you want a link or anything like that to this plate, please let me know in the comments down below and I will try to look it up for you. I'm really not sure if it is still available. I think so, but I'm not sure, so don't like hold it against me if it isn't available anymore, but I'm sure you can get it somewhere online anyways. But this is the L18 plate. There are a lot of beautiful, nice like patterns on this one, as well as this marble like pattern. So I'm just going to place that on the ring finger, just a little extra touch, nothing special. I really just wanted to make a mix and match design because, as I mentioned in previous videos as well, in my opinion there are no rules to nail art. You can just do whatever you like. It's just nail polish and a little bit of glitter, you know. You can easily remove it if it doesn't turn out to be like the way you want it to be. So yeah, the glitter gradient, by the way, I just did it on the pinky and the thumb, but it's totally up to you. If you feel like I want to do my middle finger and my ring finger, you can do that as well. Again, no rules are applied. But I also wanted to use a beautiful foil that I got in a pack of 16, I guess, maybe 10 or 16 different foils, also from Born Pretty Store. And I am going to adhere that with some foil glue. And yeah, I just cut up to one piece actually, and I use it for both my nails because I'm going to repeat this step on the middle finger as well. One tip I would love to share with you guys, because the first time I tried foils, like after I hadn't used them in like years, I kind of messed up, and you can see that in one of my previous videos, but I fixed it with glitter. Like glitter fixes everything in my opinion. But the thing I learned while doing it again, just trying it again, is to apply a really thin layer of the foil glue and just let that sit for a minute or so. The bottle says 30 seconds, but I feel like if you leave it like to dry a little longer, or at least to get really tacky a little longer, the foil transfers really easy and you don't have to like hassle a lot or put a lot of pressure on your nail. Especially if you are going to apply this on your natural nails like I am in this video, you just don't want to apply a ton of pressure onto your nails. That's just not comfortable. It can be painful as well, and yeah, you just don't want that. Here you can see that there was actually a little piece that didn't transfer well, so I'm just going to going back in with the foil and just pressing it on gently, a little bit like pressing it on with my nail as well. That kind of helps, but silicone tool like the one I used a little earlier in this video works really nicely and quite gently soft as well. So yeah, I'm just going to repeat this step for the middle finger. I just cut out applying the foil because it's just same, you know. It was just exactly the same thing as I did for the pointer finger. But yeah, I really love the way this looks. I think it's really cute. And of course, after everything has dried for a decent amount, you want to go in with your top coat. You can choose to go in just like me with a glossy top coat, but if you want a matte finish, you can definitely go for a matte finish as well. That doesn't really matter, it's totally up to you what you want to do. You could even go in with like a holographic top coat or something. Just a finely milled glitter top coat might be really cute as well. And it would definitely tie it in a little bit more if you would apply that on top of the foil or the stamped design. But yeah, this was already the entire video and tutorial. I hope you liked it. It is a quick and snappy one, which are really fun for me to create as well. But thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, as usual, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.